This is the Introduction to iOS 11 Development course. This course is not for beginners. This is an intermediate to advanced level course. And in this course, we're going to cover some of these new API changes. We're going to learn what are the new changes in Xcode 9. We're going to be developing an ARKit app. We're going to be using the drag and drop feature of a table view to drag text between a text view and a table view. We're going to be using the face detection API to recognize faces in photos. So we're going to be recognizing the dominant object and also the scene of any photo. We're going to create a QR code reader. We're going to develop a natural language processing app, which is going to allow us to break any form of text into different parts and also identify the part of the text. We're going to also create a real-time object tracking app, which is going to tell us the objects that we can see through the camera, and so on and so forth. We have to cover so many new things in the iOS 11 API. Let's get started. Thank you.